next one says? What does the next one say, Singwon? What do we do next?
It says drawing a chalk close up.
Close up. It wants you to take a piece of chalk, use the magnifying glass, look at it very close, see what it looks like. Did that one break too? Oh my gosh, will you go put it in the sharpener? Thank you. Here, I want you to look close up and see what you see. I don't know what a close up piece of chalk. It did break. You see?
It's big.
It's big?
So I'm gonna draw big.
Okay, I'll
Big
draw
and
one.
fat. Fat.
I think you're right.
And the circles on the side are fat too.
You're right.
And thin.
Okay, Lynn's turn. You sharpen it? Good.
I'm gonna make a close up.
Yeah, close up picture of chalk. Close up. We have to look at it with the magnifying glass and see what it looks like. Yep. Very good. Okay. Lynn, are you done? Let's go. Are you done with your chalk? Did you draw it? Draw it close up. Right here.
And draw this one?
Yes. Close up. No, here. See, look. Look what you see close up. Look. Do you see? What do you see? Do you see close up? So it's big. So we do big.
Big.
Yes, because it gets bigger. Hey, Lynn, are you going to draw, please? Are you going to get your own pencil? Thank you, girl. Nueve. You're so close, girl.
Uno.
Hey, no, we'll do that after. We'll do that after. We'll do it after. Draw your chalk.
Cinco. That's good.
Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, are you ready to do observations? Okay, get ready to write. Write